Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into IPTV installation today. Finding trusted IPTV providers has become challenging. Fortunately, 2TV.store offers great options. Before we start, make sure your Firestick is ready. Let's open your Firestick home screen now. Navigate to Settings on the Firestick. Select Device and then Developer Options. Turn on Apps from unknown sources. This allows you to install apps freely. Next, go back to the home screen again. Search for the Downloader app now. Install the Downloader app quickly. Once installed, open the Downloader app. In the URL field, type the IPTV Pro link. Ensure you have the correct URL inputted. Click Go to begin the download process. After downloading, install the IPTV Pro app. Once installed, find it in your apps. Open the IPTV Pro app to configure it. Enter your IPTV provider credentials next. Once logged in, you're ready to stream. Browse through channels and enjoy your favorites. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.